Let me sit up for this. Okay, girl, this lace though. Lace wear melted. Melted. Let me just fix my forehead a little bit. Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Y'all, today we are about to style and install this unit from Wowafrican.com. And just let us start off straight out of the bat, straight out of the gate. The lace is lacing. The lace on this unit is phenomenal. Now, if you're a first-time wig wearer, 100% recommend Wowafrican. I didn't have to pluck the wig. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to do much of anything. Only thing that I did that would be considered work, apart from installing the hair, is just making sure that the top is flat, because you don't ever want like a, you know, a humpy looking top, especially since we're wearing cornrows under our wig. So you want to make sure that top is flat. So that's the most work you will do. This could be worn as a glueless unit. I got this in 22 inches. Now it's quite long for 22 inches. I don't know if my torso is just short or what. I mean, I am all of 5'3", but it is a decent length. I don't think you need longer than this. The hair is so refined. This is their reddish brown HD lace wig, and the hair that I'm wearing is in 180% density, so that's a thickness. I like 180% density in silky straight hair because it just gives it that natural type of flow, as opposed to like a bulky unit on your head, especially in a straight unit like this. Like, it's real lightweight and just movable. Now, I didn't experience any shedding with this unit, like running my fingers through, no shedding, especially since we didn't have to plug the unit, so I don't have to worry about loose hair. The only time I experienced loose hair was cutting the lace at the top, because I don't have a widow's peak, so I cut my lace a little bit further back on my forehead, because, you know, I got a lot of forehead and I don't mind showing it. This hair is just freaking bomb. The color is gorgeous. It's giving me number 4 type color with a bit of highlights. So even though it says reddish brown, I'm getting more of a browned golden undertone with it, which is really pretty and also very complimentary to my skin. Loving that. And the lace melted so easy, so flawlessly. I didn't have to do too much with melting it, so you don't have to wear this like super glued install. As you said, you could wear it glueless if you wish to, but I tacked it down just for the purpose of the video and making sure that I like my units like super flat. Like, that's just me. But anywho, let's get into this installation and review. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, beautiful people, getting straight into this video. This is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package, and instantly I'm just loving the lace. Like, look at that lace. Y'all didn't believe me when I said you didn't have to do much with this hair. Like, straight out of the package, she is laid and slayed. Okay, so I'm just doing a little shed test, running my fingers through it instantly, and I am seeing nothing. The quality of this wig is just amazing, and it already came with the band in the back, so that is optional. You can select that on the website if you wish to have that, but I think it's a great thing to have. And then just look at the lace. Like, I was obsessed with looking at this wig straight out of the package without doing anything. Like, I didn't have to do anything. The wig came just like this. The lace was just everything. I was obsessing. So I always go in with my hot comb to flatten the front of my units, like always. It doesn't matter how it came in the package. Like, I need to go in with a hot comb, especially if you want to do maybe a side part. You have to go through the hair with the hot comb just to make sure that it lays in the direction that you need it to lay. Even when it comes middle part, you want to flatten it so it just gives that professional look. And then I'm going to go in with the flat iron, and I didn't have to do too much with this hair because it was already silky straight, so I didn't have to do like 3 run throughs, just 1 was enough. So I'm just testing the lace color on my hand to just see how transparent it is, if I need to use makeup and I did not. I did not need to use anything on the lace. Usually I go in with makeup, but I didn't need to do it because it was just that transparent, and it was just looking how it needs to look. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. So I'm gonna do my typical method that I always do to install my units. Like, nothing's changed. It is what has been working for me. I don't do the ball cap method. I just get a regular wig cap and then the EBIN spray, and I find this to be very lightweight and safe to use on my edges because I've been using it for a long time and I haven't seen any hair loss in the front. My edges don't look any less. So yeah, it's working. All you need is water to remove it, and I love that. Then I'm gonna go in and just blow dry the lace. Just make sure that everything is melted to perfection, and then I'm gonna cut the lace around my ear just to make sure that everything is aligned how it needs to. Usually I'll do this before I melt the lace, but you know, when you're distracted, or sometimes you change up your method, the basic stuff, but as long as the results are good, it's all good. And also, you don't want to cut your lace in a straight line, because when you cut it in a straight line, it looks very pronounced and obvious. So you want to do it like a zigzaggedy motion or an imperfect cutting. Like, you never want it to just cut straight across. It's gonna show so much more. So don't do that. So I'm just flipping the hair just to see how it's looking, and she's just effortless, like absolutely gorgeous. Now, doing swoops on lace are optional. Like, I did not need to do any swoops on this hair, but I wanted it. I just felt like doing swoops today, but you could definitely wear the hair straight back. It is flawless looking straight back, like you guys saw before I did the swoops. Like, all that ish is optional, but we fell for swoops today. And then just to melt that a bit more, I'm just going to tie it down with this elastic band for the tension method, just to make sure that everything is melted. And this is it. Like, to style this hair was so freaking easy. And I'm just going to touch up because I'm seeing the line between my wig cap and my hair. So I just put a little bit of makeup on there to disguise that, just to make sure that it is flawless. And that is it. The hair was so freaking easy to install, and it is gorgeous. Loving the color of this unit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok at @Chev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.